Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Clipchamp interface, the very first screen you see right after logging in. Let's begin with the layout. On the left side, you'll see the navigation sidebar. At the very top is the Home button. Clicking this always brings you back to the main dashboard. Just below Home, you'll find the Brand Kit section. This is where you can upload your logo, fonts, and brand colors to create consistent branding in your videos. Next, you'll see the Templates section. It contains pre-made video templates for things like YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, slideshows, business promos, and more. Below that is the Settings option. Here, you can adjust preferences such as language, default export quality, and account settings. Further down, you'll find the Add Folder button. This lets you organize your video projects into folders for easier management and access. Now let's move to the main dashboard area in the center of the screen. At the top, you'll see two large buttons. The first says Create a New Video. Clicking it opens the Clipchamp editor where you can build your project from scratch. Next to it is Create a Video with AI. This smart tool asks you a few quick questions and then automatically generates a draft video for you. It's ideal for fast editing and great for beginners. Just below these, you'll find two additional tools. The first is Record Yourself. This opens your webcam and microphone, letting you record directly into Clipchamp, perfect for intros, tutorials, or presentations. Next to that is Text-to-Speech. This tool lets you type out your script and convert it into an AI-generated voiceover using a variety of natural-sounding voices. Now let's scroll down a bit. You'll come to a section titled Get Inspired with a Template. This features a variety of curated templates for different video styles and goals, including vlogs, promo videos, and personal projects. You can click on any of these templates to start editing immediately with a ready-made design. Below that is the Recent Projects section. This area shows thumbnails of your latest video projects. You can click on any project to open it and hover to see options like Rename, Duplicate, or Delete. Here's something useful as you scroll down the dashboard. A floating Create Video button appears in the top right corner of your screen. This button stays visible, so you can start a new video project from anywhere on the page without needing to scroll back up. Also, when you reach the bottom of the dashboard, there's a Create button there too. This gives you another quick way to start a new video, even after browsing through your projects or templates. Now let's move back to the left side of the screen, right at the bottom of the sidebar. You'll notice a section called OneDrive Preview. This is where videos created or saved directly from Microsoft OneDrive appear. If you've imported content from OneDrive or started a video from OneDrive's interface, it will show up in this preview list. It's a great feature for users who rely on cloud storage and want seamless integration with Clipchamp. Finally, take a look at the top right corner of the interface. You'll find the search bar, where you can quickly locate templates, stock footage, or past projects. Next is the profile icon, where you can view your account info, manage your subscription, or log out. You'll also see a help icon, marked with a question mark. Click this to get tutorials, help articles, or contact support. Beside that is the notification bell, showing updates, product tips, or alerts from Clipchamp. If you're using the free plan, you may also see an upgrade button for accessing premium features. And that wraps up the complete tour of the Clipchamp home screen interface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.